Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn conversion of decimal form into rational form. These are two types of decimals. That is, number one is terminating decimal, second one is non-terminating recurring decimals. Converting terminating decimals into rational form. Consider decimal number 15.75. Find the number of places after the decimal point in the given number. In 15.75 there are two decimal places. Therefore 15.75 can be written as 1575 by 100. Now 1575 by 100 dividing numerator and denominator by 5, then we get 315 by 20. Then after dividing numerator and denominator by 5, then finally we get the answer is 63 by 4. 63 by 4 is the rational form of 15.75. Express each of the following decimals in the p by q form. That means rational form. First one is 0.35, second one minus 8.005, third one is 2.104. Solution of the first one. Since 0.35 has two places after decimal point, it is written as 0.35 is nothing but 35 by 100. Here is dividing numerator and denominator by dividing by 5. Then final answer is 5 by 20. Solution of second one. Since minus 0.8.005 has three places after decimal point, it is written as minus 8.005 is equal to minus 8005 by 1000. Dividing with 5 numerator and denominator, then we get the answer is 1601 by 200. Next, third sum solution. Since 2.104 has three places after decimal point, it is written as 2.104. That means 2104 by 1000. Here dividing with 4 numerator and denominator, then we get the answer 526 by 250. Then after numerator and denominator dividing with 2, then the final answer is 263 by 125. Converting a non-terminating recurring decimal into rational form. Let us discuss the method of conversion by following examples. Express each of the following decimal number in rational form, that is p by q form. First one 0.4 bar on 4, 0.54 bar on 54, third one is 4.7 bar on 7. First question solution is, let x is equal to 0.4 bar on 4, then x is equal to 0.444, it is equation number 1. Here the periodicity of the decimal is 1. So we multiply both sides of 1 by 10 and we get 10x is equal to 4.44, so on. It is equation number 2. Subtracting 1 from 2, 10x is equal to 4.444, so on. X is equal to 0.444, so on. It is equation 1. Subtracting 1 from 2, 10x minus x is equal to 9x. 4.444 minus 0.444, that is equal to 4.000. X is equal to 4 by 9. Hence 0.4 bar on 4 is equal to 4 by 9. Second question solution. 0.54 bar on 54. Let x is equal to 0.54 bar on 54, that is x is equal to 0.5444. It is equation number 1. Here the periodicity of the decimal is 2. So we multiply both sides of 1 by 100 and we get 100x is equal to 54.44. It is equation number 2. Subtracting 1 from 2, 100x is equal to 54.545454 so on. Then x is equal to 0.545454 so on. It is equation 1. Subtracting from 1 from 2, that is 100x minus x is equal to 99x, that is equal to 54.5454 minus 0.5454, that is equal to 54. Then x is equal to 54 by 99. Hence 0.54 bar on 54 is equal to 54.99. Then go to third problem solution. Let x is equal to 4.7 bar on 7. Then x is equal to 4.777 so on. It is equation number 1. Here the periodicity of the decimal is 1. So we multiply in the both sides of 1 by 10 and we get 10x is equal to 47.777 so on. It is equation number 2. Subtracting 1 from 2, 10x is equal to 47.777 so on. It is equation number 2. X is equal to 4.777. It is equation 1. Subtracting 1 from 2, 10x minus x is equal to 9x, that is equal to 47.77 minus 4.77 is equal to 43. Then x is equal to 43 by 9. Hence 4.7 bar on 7 is equal to 43 by 9. Going to alternate method. 4.7 is equal to 4 plus 0.7 bar. 4 plus 0.7 bar is nothing but 7 by 9. Then LCM of the 1 and 9 is equal to 1, 9. 4 9s are 36 plus 7. That means 43 by 9. Here is both answers are equal. Express each of the following decimals in P by Q form. In exercise number 1.3, first question 0.57, second question 0.176, third question 1.00001. Then final fourth question is 25.125. First question solution. Since 0.57 has 2 places after decimal point, it is written as 0.57 is equal to 57 by 100. Then go to second one. Since 0.176 has 3 places after the decimal point, it is written as 0.176 is equal to 176 by 1000. Dividing numerator and denominator by 2, then we get 88 by 500. Then after dividing numerator and denominator by 4, then final answer is 22 by 125. Go to third problem. Since 1.00001 has 5 places after decimal point, it is written as 1.00001 is equal to 1,01,000 by 1. Then fourth question, 25.125 as 3 places after decimal point. It is written as 25.125 is equal to 25,125 by 1000. Dividing with 5 numerator and denominator, then we get 5025 by 200. Then after dividing numerator and denominator by 5, then we get 1005 by 40. Then after dividing numerator and denominator by 5, then answer is 201 by 8. That means therefore 25.125 is equal to 201 by 8. Express each of the following decimals in the rational form, that is P by Q. Here is first question, 0.9 bar. Let x is equal to 0.9 bar on 9. That is x is equal to 0.999 so on. It is equation number 1. Here the periodicity of the decimal is 1. So we multiply both sides of 1 by 10 and we get 10x is equal to 9.99 so on. It is equation number 2. Subtracting 1 from 2, 10x is equal to 9.9999 so on. Equation number 2. X is equal to 0.9999 so on. Subtracting 1 from 2, 10x minus x is equal to 9x, that is equal to 9. X is equal to 9 by 9, that means 1. Numerator and denominator are same, 9 ones are 9 ones are. Hence 0.9 bar is equal to 1. Then go to second one, 0.57 bar on 57. Let x is equal to 0.57 bar on 57. Then x is equal to 0.57, 57, 57 so on. It is equation number 1. Here the periodicity of the decimal is 2. So we multiplying both sides of 1 by 100 and we get 100x is equal to 57.57, 57, 57 so on. It is equation number 2. Subtracting 1 from 2, 100x is equal to 57.57, 57, 57 so on. It is equation number 2. X is equal to 0.57, 57, 57 so on. It is equation number 1. Subtracting 1 from 2, 100x minus x is equal to 99x, that is equal to 57. Then x is equal to 57 by 99. Hence 0.57 bar on 57 is equal 57 by 99. Then third question, let 0.729 bar on 29. X is equal to 0.72929 so on. It is equation number 1. Here the periodicity of the decimal is 2. So we multiply both sides of 1 by 100 and we get 100x is equal to 72.92929 so on. Subtracting 1 from 2, 100x is equal to 72.92929 so on. X is equal to 0.7229 929, so on. Here subtracting from 1 from 2, 100x minus x is equal to 99x is equal to 72.2. X is equal to 72.99. Here multiplying with numerator and denominator by 10, then point is removed, 722 by 990. Then after numerator and denominator by dividing with 2, then we get the final answer is 361 by 495, hence 0.729 boron 29 is equal to 361 by 495. Let in fourth problem, let x is equal to 12.28 boron 8. Then x is equal to 12.28888, so on. It is equation number 1. Here the periodicity of the decimal is 1. So we multiplying both sides of 1 by 10 and we get 10x is equal to 122.888, so on. It is equation number 2. Subtracting 1 from 2, 10x is equal to 122.888, so on. Then x is equal to 12.2888, so on. It is equation number 1. Subtracting from 10x minus x is equal to 9x is equal to 110.6. X is equal to 110.6 by 9. Here multiplying with the 10 numerator and denominator, then we get 1106 by 90. Then after dividing numerator and denominator by 2, then final answer is 553 by 45. Hence 12.28 boron 8 is equal to 553 by 45. Dear children, today we learned conversion of decimal form into rational forms. I think all students are understand. Thank you, students. Subscribe my channel for notifications. Dear students, subscribe my channel for notification.